How do meta ads impact my overall e-commerce performance?
Yeah, I mean, Meta can be very powerful.
How do meta ads impact my overall e-commerce performance?
Yeah, I mean, Meta can be very powerful. It can, of course, increase your traffic, increase your order. It kind of boosts the search volume, especially the branded search for Google. It can help with remarketing. So it's really a powerful platform. It's often sometimes it won't get the credit, but sometimes it can be the first touch for someone to discover your brand and then purchase later on Google or in directly or any other way. So usually Meta has a large impact, not on all business, but most business do see a big lift in using Meta, just because the algorithm is so powerful and there's so many people on Facebook, Instagram, and their other platform that it's usually one of the main platform for most businesses.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Next one is how can I conduct my own test to determine the true impact of Meta on my Google Ads performance?
I guess the easiest thing would be to completely pause Meta for like a week or two and see if you how much brand search volume you get. If you see a drop, then that means probably Meta was feeding some of the branded search. You can look at your ROAS on Google, and just again your overall revenue, how it's being affected on your business. So yeah, either like pause Meta or do a big jump, maybe double your budget or something like that. Make sure it has time to optimize, and then see how how your branded search volume go up once you raise your budget. And yeah, your branded search is the way I would look at on Google.
Yeah. Okay. And the last one is this is a question based on the last video about prospecting and remarketing. So is prospecting and remarketing still relevant for lead generation accounts?
I'd say yes. It's often less effective than ecom. I think it's worth trying. At least you can try, all your middle funnel, all your warm audience. So all your followers, video viewers, engagers, emails, site viewers, all the warm audience you can try this, or just the recent people that just engage with the page in the last few days, or visited the website, or opened the form in the last 7 days or so. But often lead gen remarketing will be less effective or will not work. So don't be surprised with that. I think the main reason behind that is that it's less of a big decision to just fill out the form versus taking out their credit card and purchasing something. So it's more like a first visit, and there's sometimes people make their decision quicker. But yeah, also some Meta will do some remarketing by itself with your prospecting with lead gen. So there's some you can look at your frequency to see how much remarketing is happening even on your prospecting lead gen. So that's something to keep in mind. I would say give it a try, but don't expect to have phenomenal results with it like you can get in ecom.
I don't want you to have to go through the work to do this, but do you have an idiot's guide to like L0, L1, L2, L3?